Have you ever run into a frustrating error while coding, only to feel completely stuck? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Python and NumPy that can leave you scratching your head. I totally get it. It can be incredibly annoying when your code works perfectly in one version of Python but throws errors in another. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges when transitioning between Python versions. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user recently encountered an issue where their code using NumPy integers with itertools worked in Python 2.7, but threw a value error in Python 3.6. They were left wondering if this was a bug or if they were missing something. So what's going on here? The issue arises because Python 3.x has stricter type checks compared to Python 2.x. NumPy integers like np.in64 are not recognized as standard Python integers in certain contexts, leading to these unexpected errors. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick workaround that can save you a lot of headaches when working with NumPy and itertools. To address the issue with itertools not recognizing NumPy integers, the user should first convert the NumPy integers to standard Python integers. This can be done using the int function. Next, the user should modify the islice function call to use these converted integers. This will ensure that the inputs are compatible with the itertools functions. After making these changes, the user can run the code again. This should resolve the value error and allow the code to execute as expected. Lastly, the user should be aware that this issue arises due to differences in how Python 2 and Python 3 handle types. It's important to always check data types when working with libraries like NumPy and itertools. Fun fact, did you know that Python 2 was officially discontinued in January 2020? If you're still using it, it's time to make the switch to Python 3 for better support and features. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests that this issue might be resolved by utilizing the index magic method, which NumPy's integers already implement. They recommend raising an enhancement request for itertools.islice to accept any object that implements this method. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using NumPy's np.s to create a slice-like object. This approach allows you to bypass the issue with NumPy integers in itertools functions. Here's the workaround I promised. Always convert NumPy integers to standard Python integers when using them with functions that expect int types. This simple step can save you from a lot of frustration. And there you have it. By converting your NumPy integers, you can avoid those pesky errors and keep your code running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.